on our way to CookieCon. We are so excited. It is 3:26
3 a.m. on
Central Standard Time. So we should get to Louisville in about 4.5 to 5 hours. So we'll get there right around 9:30. We are so excited.
I need more coffee.
I need coffee too.
World unknown, pure ecstasy. No looking back, just come with me. And I can't fight this feeling. We're up all night, not coming down.
We're in Kentucky.
Ain't no stopping us now. I can't fight this feeling. We're up all night, not coming down. Heartbeat pump to the rhythm, and ain't no stopping us now. Live your life for just one night, no looking back. 'Cause tonight will make it right. And I can't tell you, you have to see. Let me show you, I'll set you free. A world unknown, pure ecstasy. No looking back, just come with me. And I can't fight this feeling. We're up all night, not coming down. Heartbeat pump to the rhythm, and ain't no stopping us now. I can't fight this feeling. We're up all night, not coming down. Heartbeat pump to the rhythm, and ain't no stopping us now.
We're here.
We made it to Louisville, Kentucky. We're so excited. We are already registered and we got our badges and our lanyard, and I submitted my sugar show piece, and we got this gigantic bag of goodies. Well, we have a couple hours to kill, so we're gonna go find a Starbucks so I can get my Kentucky mug and maybe just explore the area a little bit and see what happens. Juice.
So, how's your CookieCon so far?
Good.
What'd you do?
Met a bunch of people.
Did you meet everybody you wanted to meet?
No, not yet. Still very nervous to go up to people. So maybe I need a little liquid courage.
I have liquid courage with me. You want a beer?
I don't know. Maybe.
How was that keynote? Yeah, that was a good keynote. I can't hear you though. Day 2.
Oh, you were recording. And then you were taking a picture.
It's day 2.
It's day 2. Ready.
What are we doing today?
We have all of the core classes today and one elective. And we're gonna grab lunch.
Starting with photography. Let's go.
I've been stuck inside a daydream. Nights are starting to bleed into each other. Oh, I need someone here to save me from my own memories before I discover. Don't wanna leave, but I can't stay. Tears stream down your face. My heart is moving on, my soul is moving on. I love you, I do. My fears will come true if I don't ramble on. Oh, I've been stuck inside a daydream. Nights are starting to bleed into each other. Whoa.
So, we're at a quick lunch stop / brewery stop. We are at Gravely Brewing. Quick little lunch, and then we're going back to CookieCon. What are we doing? What are we? More classes?
More classes until 6.
I'm scared, but I'm hoping that I keep my eyes open. I keep my eyes are starting to bleed into each other. Oh, I need someone here to save me from my own.
So, day 3.
Last day.
How was day 2?
Really good.
Did you hang out with some friends?
I did. I made some cookie friends.
Woo!
From my own memories before I discover that my compass is broken. And I'm lost in the ocean. I'm scared, but I'm hoping that I keep my eyes open. I keep my eyes open. I keep my eyes. I keep my eyes. I keep my eyes. I
was definitely so worth it, and we had such a good time, and I definitely want to go to another one. Hopefully I can go to the one in Dallas. That would be ideal for us, but yeah, definitely worth it. We had so much fun, and happy I got to meet so many incredible other cookiers and learned a ton, and definitely bought way too much stuff, but learned a ton, and it was so fun.
Take a chance.
We're back in Chicago.
Back to reality.
Let's go get our babies.
'Cause tonight will make it right. And I can't tell you, you have to see. Let me show you, I'll set you free. A world unknown.